Hey, my third grade mathematicians. Well, we're going to kick off our activities for the day, and we're going to be answering the question, is your foot a foot long? Okay, so do you think that your foot is actually 1 foot long? Remember, 1 foot is 12 inches. Here's my ruler. Do you think your foot is longer or shorter than this? So we're going to measure our feet, and we're going to collect the data, and you're going to measure your foot to the nearest ½ inch. So before we do that, we're going to review what that looks like on a ruler, okay? All right, so right here, I have using a ruler. So how long would you say the pencil is? All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 whole inches, and then the pencil goes right in between 5 and 6, so another ½ inch. So the pencil is 5½ inches. Notice that the ruler or the pencil starts at the very end of the ruler where it says 0. Okay, so we want to make sure we're lining up our ruler very precisely. That's one of our math practices for this unit, is attend to precision. So we want to be precise. Okay, all right. So what you're going to do is you are going to trace your foot on a piece of paper. Okay, so I've done that here, and you're going to measure how long your foot is. Okay. So I have my foot here. Let me go down just a little bit. Okay. And I'm going to measure. I'm going to make sure that I put the end of my foot where it is 0. Okay. And I'm going to go straight up to the top of my foot. Okay. I'm going to zoom in close here. So it looks like I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 whole inches. And then I'm not quite to 11. I'm right in between that 10 and 11. Let me back up right here. So my foot is 10 whole inches and a half. Okay? 10 whole inches and a half. Do you see that? Okay, and this is how you would write that. My foot, let's see which way you can see, 10 inches and a half. So is my foot longer or shorter than 1 foot? You're right, it's shorter. 1 foot is 12 inches and my foot is 10½ inches. So you're going to do the same thing, and we're going to collect data for our class and really practice measuring. If you're at home, try tracing another family member's foot so you can practice using a ruler. Okay? All right, guys. So I can't wait to continue looking at the activities that we're going to do today. And until then, happy measuring.